nicely these courses. Then in the end, you will get a certificate, as well as Mr. Ramanan sir. He is actually the director of Niti Aayog. He can also come to our school and he can just talk to you, and even he can give you certificates and all, like an appreciation. So it is great opportunity for all of you
Excuse
to
me, ma'am.
get the certificate from him. Okay. Yes, children. Anyone has any question regarding this?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now,
Till which date we have to do the courses?
Ma'am, the timings will be.
nahi,
Ma'am,
nahi,
the timings for
nahi,
this
see,
will be.
I won't be training you for those courses. I will be only training you how to start the course, and that is self tutorial. You can learn it. There are videos that you need to watch the videos and solve the quiz. That's it. Very simple. Okay, that is not too difficult. This is very simple. Yes, bache?
Ma'am, I
No,
also
ma'am.
tried
I'm saying
to.
that what
Ma'am,
timings,
which
like
videos?
timings when
It
we
can be.
will.
It is self-paced. Self-paced. It is your up to your wish how much time you are going to take. Yes.
Ma'am, we have to make ID from our own school email ID
Yes,
or
I
our
am
own
going
ID.
to explain each of the process. All of you mute yourself. I will be
Ma'am,
showing a
which video?
video.
Ma'am, see.
I will be
Ma'am,
showing
if
you
you are
a
not able,
video. What happened?
like we can say.
I have not shared my screen. Just wait. I will be sharing my screen, and even I will be showing you the steps of doing it. You have to note down everything very properly. Then you can do it yourself and then register yourself. Okay. So right now I am going to share my screen. Yet I have not shared my screen. Okay. So first of all, you need to go to appcourse.plasmo.com. You all have got this link in the WhatsApp message that we had posted in your class group. Okay.
Ma'am,
Over
your
there,
screen is not visible.
my screen is not visible. Is it not visible for everyone?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it is
Ma'am, it
visible.
is visible.
Ma'am, it's visible very clear.
Okay, beta, you can see the recording.
Ma'am,
Those who are
now
not
it is.
able to see. Now see, I am going to play
But
this
the recording
video.
is also not started.
What happened?
And the recording is also not
Have
started.
you ever wondered how the apps
Recording
that
to
we
have
use
done
in our
started.
Ma'am,
day-to-day
recording is started.
It is
Recording is
started,
started.
but I am doing the recording. No, don't bother.
lives work? Now learn to build your own apps using the ATL
Can you
App
reshare the
Development
screen?
Module for students
I am. It is not.
using an interactive board.
1 minute.
Have you ever wondered how the apps that we use in our day-to-day lives work? Now learn to build your own apps using the ATL App Development Module for students. Using an interactive portal, learn how to build your own Android app and web app by taking 6 self-paced online courses that you can avail of from anywhere using a laptop and an internet connection. Let us see how to make use of this ATL app development module and how to start building your first apps. To begin your journey, click on Login or Register. If you have already programmed with Plasmo
Ma'am,
before
if you
and
will
have
mute
the
yourself, then it would be more clear.
sign into it using your email address or password and then clicking on Sign In. The other way is to create a new account. Let us look at each of these options in more detail now. If you're using this for the first time, click on Create a New Account. Start by entering the email address
Ma'am,
and ensure that you have not made any mistake while typing it.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, what happened?
Ma'am, we will enter our own
Ma'am,
email address of school.
Yes, first of
Ma'am,
all, what
enter
so
our
then
own
I will
email
explain the
address.
steps.
We have to make a special for this.
I am first watch the video, whole video, then I will
Okay,
explain
ma'am.
each of the steps by doing it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this
Okay,
you
so
have to do.
now
Ma'am,
you
it's
have to get this
compulsory to do
email
this
address
on the
by clicking
laptop
on send
or
verification code
Excuse me, ma'am, I
computer.
have a doubt.
Excuse me, ma'am.
here and then
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, what happened?
Ma'am, can you show the video from starting?
Okay, I will share. Tell me, but who was asking that it is compulsory?
Ma'am, please show this video from starting.
Yes, I will show you from the starting.
have you ever wondered how the apps that we use in our day-to-day lives work? Now learn to build your own apps using the ATL App Development Module for students. Using an interactive portal, learn how to build your own Android app and web app by taking 6 self-paced online courses that you can avail of from anywhere using a laptop and an internet connection. Let us see how to make use of this ATL app development module and how to start building your first apps. To begin your journey, click on Login or Register. If you have already programmed with Plesmo before and have an existing account, you can sign into it using your email address or password and then clicking on Sign In. The other way is to create a new account. Let us look at each of these options in more detail now. If you are using this for the first time, click on Create a New Account. Start by entering the email address and ensure that you have not made any mistake while typing it. You now need to get this email address verified by clicking on Send Verification Code. Wait until you see a text box here and a message that a verification code has been sent to your inbox. Open the email that you have received and note the 6-digit code that has been sent to you. Enter the 6-digit code here and click on Verify. Wait until the verification is complete and now proceed with the next steps of filling the form out. Begin by choosing a new password. The password that you choose has to be constant in these two windows, and then you can give yourself a nickname for your account. It should be followed by your first and last name and ensure that these are correct, since this is the name that will be shown on the certificate that you receive for your courses. You now need to enter your parent or guardian's mobile number, followed by the PIN code of your address. Enter your age in years. Enter the name of your school, followed by an ATL ID if your school has an ATL. If you don't know what this is, talk to your teacher so that he or she may help you out. Click on I accept the terms of use and then create, so that your new account is now getting created so that you can start using your courses.
Yes. Now see here. This is the whole step. This was the whole step of creating a new account. Now I am going to do the same process. Okay. I am going to take a arbitrary first. And yes, what
Ma'am, we
happened?
have to create with our Microsoft ID.
No, no,
What is
no,
the
don't
email?
use Microsoft ID. 1 minute. Don't use the Microsoft ID. You won't be able to get the verification code. It's better to use your parents' email ID that is configured in their phones, so that you can get the verification code then and there. Is it clear to you?
Ma'am, what is the ATL code of our school?
Okay, ma'am.
I will tell you. I will tell you. I will tell you the ATL code.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have Ma'am, this will work on computers and on laptops only. It will not work on phone.
Codes so you can do via phone also, but Plasmo, that whole software will run on the computer only. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am, do we need to have only Windows 10 operating system in our
Excuse me,
laptop or
ma'am.
what?
our Windows operating system will work. I think Mac also is possible. Mac it is doing. Yes, this is our ATL code 1076771. All of you note down.
What are you telling that Windows
We have
10
to
or
enter
Windows 7
it.
can?
Yes, in the end you have to write. When you are doing the registration process, in the last it was asking the ATL code. Our school ATL code is 1076771. This is our ATL code.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, but
Ma'am, on which thing we get these courses process?
1 minute. I will show you the. All of you have noted down this ATL code.
Yeah,
All of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
please. Ma'am, I have done that.
Okay, I will show you the whole process now.
Okay, ma'am.
Now see, this is the link appcodes.esmo.com. First of all, you have to click on login or register. Is it clear? You have to go to once more, just see. This was the link appcodes.plasmo.com. This link you already have in your WhatsApp message. Okay. From there, you will get this window. This is the Plasmo window. You need to click on login or register. Okay. Once you have done the login and register, you need to click on create a new account, because right now you don't have any Plasmo account. Okay. You don't have any account with this company. That's why we need to create a new account. Okay. Now you need to write down any email ID. See, I am writing my personal email ID. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now
can
what will happen?
we do register with our mother's ID?
Yes, you have to do. Don't use my email ID because it is already registered. All of you have to use your personal email ID.
Ma'am, like we have made
Ma'am,
an
we can
email
use
ID of
our personal ID that we have.
ma'am, like
Yes,
we
what?
can made it.
You have to use your mother's, father's, anyone's ID, beta. It hardly matters. It is only for the login purpose. They won't be asking anything else.
Okay,
Now see
ma'am.
here, whether it is a
Ma'am.
valid email ID or not, it is going to check. So what I will do, after this, I will click on send verification code. Now see, one verification code must have come in my inbox. My email ID is already open. I will check. See, one, not this one. Yes. See, this email ID, this verification has come. Thanks for verifying your, see, this verification code has come in my email ID. So what I am going to do, I am going to put that verification code here. I have copied that verification code and pasted it here. Then verify. So now verification is necessary. Now it is correct. Your email ID is verified. It says email address verified. Now it is correct. You may continue. Now change email ID. Don't click over here. If you get this message, yesterday students were again and again clicking on change email ID. That's why they were not able to complete the sign up process. Now here one more problem students were doing. Like here, suppose if I am writing the password student at the rate 123. Okay. So I need to write that same password in the similar manner in the next block also. You cannot change the what students were doing. They were writing some. See, in the first place, I have written a password. That same password, I need to write it again in the second block, because if you're going to do, if you are going to write a different password, your ID won't be created. Yesterday, students were writing some other password here and some other password here. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
बच्चे.
like we are using, ma'am, like we are using an email ID, so we have to write the password of that email ID,
No,
or we have
not
to make a.
necessarily. No, my email ID password is not student@123. I have written it student@. It is, you can use any password, but don't forget that password. You need to write anything anywhere safely. Also, it may not be your password of the email ID that you are supplying above. I hope this is clear to everyone. This
Yes, ma'am.
be different email ID's password. Okay. Now here
Excuse
both
me,
the
ma'am.
places. Yes, बच्चे.
मैम अगर जैसे कि हम यहाँ पे अगर अपना करते तो जो ईमेल आईडी है वहाँ का मतलब हर जगह जैसे आईडी यूज होती तो हर जगह का ये पासवर्ड बदलेगा नहीं ना?
See, I am telling you, because for security reason, don't use the same password that is your email ID password. It is not a good practice. You can use student@123. It hardly matters because it should go in combination. User ID is different for everyone, and the password is student@123. It is okay, but please don't share your email ID and password with someone else. What will happen? Your work, someone else will take the credit. Okay. So here the password shouldn't be your email ID's password. It can be anything else. Okay. And both the places you need to write down the same password. After that, you need to write down your nickname. You can write anything, whatever you wish. Better to write your name so that everyone knows. Now here you will be writing your first name, like my name is Annie. So I'm writing Annie, and then last name is Kumar. So I'm entering like this. I hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Okay. Now here you need to enter your phone number. Let it this be my number. So I am entering this number. Then you need to enter your PIN code. So our school here, school's PIN code I have given. This is 110085. Otherwise, wherever you live, that each area has some or the other PIN code.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Yes, बच्चे.
ma'am,
It is 89.
ma'am, it is compulsory.
Yes, what happened?
Ma'am, it is
Yes, the
compulsory.
what is compulsory?
PIN code is now 89.
So you can easily write, whatever is your area's PIN code, you need to write that. Yes,
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
compulsory.
excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we write any of our nickname according to our wish?
Yes. Any nickname. Suppose you have your own name.
Error will not come now if our nickname and our first name will be same.
No error. I have given. See, my first name is Annie, and as well as nickname also I have given Annie. No problem. It will take no issues.
Ma'am, but in
Okay.
my laptop it's not
So
asking
now
for.
enter your age in years. Now what happens? You have to enter your age. So right now I think all of you are 13 or 14 years age. So you can enter whatever is your age. Okay, you have to enter like. Yes, bache.
Ma'am, we have to download this app.
No, this is online. There is no downloading right now. I am
Ma'am,
not.
which type of questions were coming?
Ma'am, but it is not showing.
Ma'am, but I've downloaded the app, but now it's not showing me this. All it has just asked me the ID and password.
So you
When I've gone.
1 minute. You have done all the courses.
Yes. No, ma'am. I have just logged in now only. I'm logging in side by side.
No, you first of all, better you have to register yourself. You have to register.
Ma'am, I have registered.
Good, very good.
I have also registered myself, but it hasn't asked me this much questions. Age, PIN code, and all.
And we have to write our
It just asked me my
No,
ID.
it does that.
Ma'am, the register.
But 1 minute, you are going wrong. Not asking. I have not told you to download anything. I have told you just to log. First of all, do a sign up process. Here you have to create the account in the this link. What is the link? 1 minute. Appcodes dot. This was the link now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Appcodes.com. This link you have to first of all go create an ID.
Ma'am,
If
if
you are
we
not
have done
doing, you
that
will not get the certificate.
ma'am,
Yes.
if we have done that in the Ma'am, if we have done that in the sign in on the phone, then can we means can you continue that within a computer?
1 minute, I will explain you this process. For example, I have a Gmail ID. Okay. Now this Gmail ID I have created in my computer. Can't I use that Gmail ID over my phone? Huh?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes.
Logged.
Yes. So
Ma'am,
that is that
ma'am,
if you have registered yourself, 1 minute, let me complete. If you have registered over your phone, so you can use the same thing on computer also. No need of registering again and again. You need to do the registry process only once, the first time. Next time you will do login and user and password. That's it.
ma'am, the register and login process is the same now.
Yes, yes, register process, but you have to give all the answers. If you are not going to fill the ATL ID, then you will not receive the certificate and the batches.
Ma'am, what is the school
Okay, ma'am.
ATL ID?
But how we will, ma'am, how we will receive that? Means how we will receive
You
the.
as and when I will show you. I will show you 1 minute. Let first of all note down these ATL ID those who have not written.
Ma'am, I have registered. So, ma'am, how I will attend the courses?
I will show you one. Those who have registered, please wait. I am
Ma'am, it is not being registered.
Huh?
Ma'am, it is not being registered.
Why? What happened?
Ma'am, it is asking for another user ID.
User ID, another user ID.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means whatever email ID you must have given, that is wrong.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's correct. Ma'am, I log in that.
First of all, you have to create the account. First process is not
please tell again.
First process.
Ma'am, I have entered my email ID and still not.
Wait. Did you do 1 minute? Did you click on create a new account or sign in? First step.
Create a new account.
Yes, create a new account. Did you enter an email ID here?
Yes, ma'am.
Then a verification code must have come in your email ID.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, when I log in.
Ma'am, can you give your number? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Aishna and who should I answer? One of you mute yourself, let other one answer. Yes, Aishna, what happened?
Ma'am, when I log in it, email address, it is saying that we have to type email address. So what I write?
Beta, see, I had shown you. Did you complete this whole process?
Ma'am, I have logged in till now only.
Night of, did you complete all this process? Tell me first of all.
No, ma'am.
So how will you get the login process? That only I'm again and again telling. Now, first of all, you have to go to appcodes.plasmo.com. Then you need to click on login or register. After clicking on login and register, you will get this window. In this window, you are not going to do sign in. You are going to click on create a new account.
Okay,
ma'am.
Once you click there, then you need to enter your... Yes, bache.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can you send the recording in WhatsApp group, ma'am? Because in mobile chat option is not coming.
I will send. For that, don't bother.
Ma'am, where did the verification code come?
It will come to the email ID, whatever you have supplied there.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to
put
the pin code of the school or of our home.
You can write your home as well as school. It's your wish. It will hardly matter.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the ATL code? Ma'am, I'm signing in now side by side. So, ma'am, I have not saved it.
1076771.
Excuse me, ma'am.
107
671.
1067701.
Wrong. That is 1076.
Okay, ma'am. I have seen it from the screen.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
10767771. Please note down this ATL ID.
Excuse me, ma'am. It is asking for send verification code.
So it will go to your email ID now, wherever you have, whichever email ID you have written above.
Ma'am, email address.
Yes, in that email it will go. That verification code, like your OTP, it always come to the email ID.
So, ma'am, where we have to type that OTP?
Here it will come now. First of all, you will enter your email ID. Then it says send verification. I will show you once more. See here. I am going to write
Yes,
my
ma'am.
email
Ma'am,
ID.
earlier I was not able to see your screen.
See. And now it is visible. I have entered my email ID. Okay. Okay, now I am clicking on send verification code. Now a verification code has come. I have already logged into my email ID. I have received a verification code from Plasmo Academy like this. Now see, I have received a verification code. I am copying this verification code. Whatever has come.
Ma'am, I have registered. What I have to do next?
Wait. Those who have registered, please wait. Others are not able to do. Now see, I have entered this verification code. Now I am clicking on verify code. See, it says email address verified. This means that my email address is verified. Now I need to create new password 2 times. Same password I will enter. Nickname, name, everything I am going to fill like this. And in the end, I will enter the ATL ID. This is the ATL ID. I am going to enter the ATL ID. Here I will click on accept and then create. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I am having Mac software. Can it?
No issues, beta. It is website. It is a website. Website opens in a similar manner on Mac, Windows, phone, anything. It always open in the same manner. It hardly matters whether you have a Mac, Windows, Linux, whatever.
Ma'am, it's just showing that please wait, we are processing your information.
So it is doing. It will take some time to create your account. Yes, Dhruv, what
Ma'am,
is
when
it?
it's done, it will be
180085.
It is not double one. 1076771. Don't write incorrect ATL ID. It will be discarded. All of you know
Ma'am, what
that.
we have to do after signing? We have to wait.
Your ID is being created.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, it's processing for a long time. It's been 2 minutes almost. And
Maybe it told in the video also you have to wait for some time. It will create.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Bhumika, yes, say what happened.
Ma'am, how the code will come after using email ID?
When you will write the email ID and if you will enter on verification code, click on verification code. The verification code will come to the email ID whatever you have written above. I have written my email ID. Yes, Bache?
And when a new page has been opened, a new page has been opened now, it is showing that error. It's showing an error description.
What error it is coming?
Ma'am, it's an error description. Error server error. Description is there of alphabet.
It's too busy right now. You can try after some time. It will do. It will go. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the ATL code?
Ma'am, what can I do?
Ma'am, I'm writing the ATL code in the chat box only.
Better.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the pin code of our address, we can write the address, pin code of the city.
City, area, like Rohini, it is 1076 sorry, what I'm saying, 110085. This is the pin code of this because Here, Vikas Bharati Public School. So that's why he entered that pin code. You might be living in an area which is having some different pin code. You can enter that as well, or 1110085 is also okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I've
Ma'am, when
done till
I
second course.
Huh?
Ma'am, it's saying that download the app also.
हाँ तो afterwards you download ना, right now तो leave it, right afterwards you download, okay? Now,
Ma'am, but in my laptop, ma'am, it is saying that the platform is not available. So you have to download on phone only.
ma'am, it is not creating.
You need to download, no issues. You download is a very small app, a very small software. You can download it.
Ma'am, when I'm verifying the code, ma'am, it is saying your code is not verified, ma'am. I'm writing the code, ma'am. It is
That you don't write, beta. You copy from there and paste. When we are writing, many times we do mistake over by writing. You
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, currently I'm on my PC, and after I just like signed up and created my account, it sent me back to the home page of the
Yes,
the
from
website.
Yes. Now I'm showing what you have to do next. Yes. See. Now once you all have.
And there are different courses.
Ma'am, just
Yes. Yes. Now all of you, I'm seeing all of you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, बच्चे बोलो.
Ma'am, it is asking for ATL ID. So what I write?
It is there in the chat window. No need of asking. It is there in the chat window. You
Okay,
can check.
Ma'am, can we do this all in the phone?
Phone, beta, you won't be able to install the app. So, but afterwards,
If you signed in with an account that is already present, you can then go to edit profile. This allows you to go and change your details so that you can complete whatever is missing.
Ma'am.
Remember, all these details need.
Yes, what happened?
Ma'am, I'm not able to write my mobile number. When I'm clicking on it, it is showing the.
Beta, after the session, you can do it leisurely, because what happens, you are attending the session as well as you are on the phone. So many a times it doesn't allow you. After the session, you do
Code is
it.
not coming in the mail.
Huh?
And the code is not coming in the mail.
Code is not coming. Which code? It will come, beta. It will come. Maybe net speed is slow. Some sort of thing. It will come surely. And if your email ID is wrong, then only it doesn't come. Otherwise, it will come surely.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, bache.
Ma'am, please send the recording on the WhatsApp group also.
I will send, beta. I will send. First of all, see what you have to do next. Then only you will be able to complete the courses. Okay?
Ma'am.
See ya.
If I don't write
Ma'am, can we do this?
last name, then I can repeat my instruction.
Ma'am,
What happened?
Ma'am, can we do this in a tablet?
Yes, you can do it on the tablet also.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, if I don't write the last name, can I repeat my name?
Excuse me, ma'am.
You can do, or else you do you put a dot over there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Otherwise, in your certificate, it will come like your name is Yashika. So Yashika, it will be printed on the certificate. Better you put a dot over there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, ATL ID you tell I'm not able to see the chat box.
1076771.
Ma'am, I have posted in the WhatsApp group also.
Good, very good. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have registration of the form, and that is also created.
Yes, good, very good.
Ma'am, Ma'am, now it is showing in the home page.
Yes,
I have
now
also
you have to
created
do
my
the
ID.
courses. You have to scroll down and do the courses. That only I wanted to show you, but you people are stuck up in the same place. Just see. Okay. Now see, you have to do the courses. Next will come the courses.
Click on the courses tab or simply scroll down so that you can see all the courses one after the other. Remember that the courses have to be taken in sequence starting with course 1. So let's go to course 1 and click on course contents so that you come to the course page. It shows you that you are not enrolled in the course yet and that the course has these lessons and topics. You can click on expand all to see the breakup. But in order to take any of these lessons, you will have to go ahead and start the course by clicking on take this course. Let's go ahead and do that now. Once that is done, you will see that you start seeing a progress bar, and since we haven't taken any lesson yet, it is at 0%. So let's go ahead and start taking the first lesson in the course now. As soon as you do this, you see that the course lessons pop up and you can start taking the first lesson. All lessons are in video format. Some of them are screencasts and some are explainer videos. You need to watch one of the video, let it complete and then move on to the next. Once you have completed watching one of the lessons, you can mark it complete by clicking on the mark complete button. This does two things. First, it takes you to the next lesson or the next topic and it marks your progress in the progress window over here. Once you have completed topics, you can always go back to them in order to revise them if you need to do that. Once you complete your first course, you will see that the course is complete in the progress bar, even on the main page. This will do two things. This will show you that you have completed the course, which unlocks your badge at each level. The other thing that it does is that it unlocks the next course for you. So if you now go to course 2, you will see the option to take this course and also be able to see all the course content for this course. You can follow the same process to take all the next courses in sequence. Every course you complete wins you a badge. Especially if you go to my account, you will be able to see all the courses you have completed, badges earned by you, and badges that you stand to earn by completing the next set of courses. Don't forget that at course 4 and course 6, when you publish your app, you also get a chance to win certificates of completion at course 4 and at course 6. Go ahead and become app creators by completing every course here.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have to ask.
Ma'am,
Bye, ma'am.
excuse me, ma'am.
I leave.
Ma'am has left.
No.
Dhruv.
Yes, I am there in the meeting. I have not left. Okay.
Okay.
By this, we have been able to understand how to do the courses. First step is do the registration. Once you have done the registration process, then each of the courses one by one you have to complete. At course number 4, you have to develop one app, and at course number 6, you have to develop another app. And once you submit those apps, then you will earn a big certificate by Niti Aayog and Plasmo Academy. Okay?
That's how to create that app.
Yes, bache? Any query?
Ma'am, that quiz will. Ma'am, how that quiz
No,
will
ma'am.
come?
Yes, when you will do the course, you will come to know what all was there in the video. Accordingly, you will be able to solve the quiz also. It is there in the one part of the whole course only. One
Ma'am,
course,
so we'll.
one-
Ma'am, it is
How
compulsory.
to
Ma'am,
how
it again.
we have to
One after
complete
the
the
other.
course, how we have to make the apps.
It will train you better. The whole curriculum is based like that. It will train you. Like course 1, once you have done, then course 2, then it will train you. In the course 4, you will be able to create the app. And if there is any issue, I am there. I will help you how to create the app. I will give you all the help how to create that app.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
will collect the certificate from the app or from the
Ma'am,
website.
it is coming from the website only. Once you have completed, you will get the certificate from there only. Batches and all, you are going to earn there only. And you can download and showcase it to your friends and family members. Okay.
Ma'am, it is coming. Wait a minute. Process is going on. Ma'am, like this is
It is because so many
So
people
we have,
might be
it's a
thinking that
picture. So basically, it's a picture of batches and certificate.
it is a picture, but it is actually a course. Whole course you will do. You will understand how it is to be done. Then only you will earn those batches and certificates. These all are original certificates. If you print, it is actually, it is having certificate number, that is ID is proved. And it is also having a signature of Ramanan sir, the director of Niti Aayog.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can create any Android app.
What happened?
Ma'am, we can create any Android app.
Yes, you can create any Android app. Acha, wait, I will show you the app that I had created. Wait a minute, I will show you.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, please show.
I'm showing.
Any other class would be there on this topic?
So first of all, you complete all the courses, then we will see. At step number 4, I will train you how to do it.
Compulsory for all.
Ma'am, like we have
Yes, it is
completed 2
compulsory.
courses.
I'm not
Ma'am, like we have
it is
completed 2 courses and then we have left.
No, you have to complete all the courses, all 6 courses. Then otherwise you won't be able to earn the certificate. Now see, I will show you the app that I had created. 1 minute. This is my, I have created this app. Cyber Smart Challenge.
Ma'am, it is compulsory for all.
Yes, it is compulsory for all. See, I will show you how to execute it. This is an app. Now see, I will show you. There is a home button also. Yes, kindly mute yourself. There is a home button. I can go back. Did you see? And there is a QR code also. You can put your mobile over here, and then you can a video will also pop up. Okay. Now see.
On this video, we have to make it.
Yes, you will be able to make such type of apps. Okay. Now see, I have, this is only message.
Ma'am, I have completed a course.
See, so beautiful. I have placed one image at the back. That is a 3D image. Okay, and this is a question. I am like I am online and I need to say something of my age. Is it true or false? Suppose if I say do what I need to do. Is it okay to give my? No, it is not okay. I need not give. See, I will get marks. You will see. So see, this message has popped up that you are right. Okay. Now next question has come up. I have a digital picture of myself and someone I met online wants to see. Is it okay to send it to that person? No, it is not okay. I need not send. So I have written false. See, you are right. But if I do any mistake, then it will say. Now see, this is a window that is helping me, training me about the. I have given a message box. Then again, I am visiting a site from a company or organization that they want my name and phone number. So, so I can enter a contest. Is it okay to enter? I say yes, I want it. See, it told me no, it is wrong. You should not. Now it is not taking me forward. Instead, 1 marks has also been deducted from the from my total score. So what I need to do? I need to do it again. Now see, I have attempted the same question again. Now it said yes, and even my marks had come. Now see, I am in middle of a chat session, and someone says say something really mean. Should I say something mean back? Ask them to apologize. Don't respond. Tell an adult if it bothers me. See, middle of the chat, someone really wants to say something that really mean. Should I say something? No, we need not. Na? If someone is just, we don't know if someone is saying something to us. So what we should do? I am going to click on the third one. Yeah, I'm correct. See, this marks has come. This is a quiz app that I had made. Now see here, this is a slider button is this, like this. Now, which are the correct email IDs?
Make a game app also.
Yes, you can make a game app. I am a teacher, so I created quiz app. You are children, you can create a game app.
Ma'am,
Isn't it?
can we mix the Kodu part and this all?
No, but it is, they have a block-based coding. So it is simple. Internally, I have done coding only. That is block-based coding, and they are going to teach you for this. See, the whole program is actually will be taught for training. Huh?
That's Scratch type coding.
Yes, Scratch
Till
type.
when we can register? Until when we can register?
Better register it today, and by 9th of August, you have to complete all the 6 courses.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Able to win the certificate.
Ma'am, like we have done 2 to 3 courses and then we have exited. So, ma'am, on the next day we will able to complete the rest of the courses, or we have to start from
No,
start.
You need to use the same login ID and password. Then you can continue. It is not like that. Today you have registered. Say tomorrow also. You are going to register tomorrow. It will start from the new. So whatever you have done is lost. That shouldn't happen. That way login ID and password is
Ma'am.
required. Yes, but
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we
Ma'am,
log in
I'm not
tomorrow
able
as
to
I'm
create the account.
yes, you can do. You can do. But do it fast. Otherwise, by 9th of August, you won't be able to complete all the 6 courses. You have to complete. Otherwise, you won't be able to earn the certificate.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I will show you. I have also done this. I have also done this course. That's why I'm able to tell you it is very easy.
Ma'am,
yes.
I think it will ask in the 4th course that make a quiz or make a
you will learn
app, and then it will ask what type of app you have to make, and step by step. I think it will tell
You
us.
can 1 minute. I will show you one more app. Very easy app. I will show you 1 minute. I will show you the very simple app that I have made one very easy. This app.
Playing app also.
Game app also you can make, beta. Just see this one. I have made this app also. This is very simple. See, I have put a text box, our school image, about our school. Then next.
I'm not able to see the screen.
You are not able to see my window?
Ma'am, you
Able to see. Ma'am, you continue.
Now see, this is the first window. If I play, now see, first window, this is second. See what I have done. Very simple. I can go back. I can I am having only 2 windows. This was the first app that I had made. And final app also you have seen, my quiz app. Okay. I was also not so skilled to make such beautiful apps. But when
Excuse me, ma'am, I'm not able to do.
That window.
Ma'am, in our
Excuse me,
app,
ma'am.
we can upload any
Excuse me,
video
ma'am.
out and
You can upload it on the website everywhere.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm not able to register.
What happened? What is the issue?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, when I am clicking on create, ma'am, when I'm clicking.
Ma'am, when will this class over?
Ma'am, many
When
students
this
are joining,
when
so
will
it's
be this
saying
class?
that.
Okay, you are not able to. What I will do now, I will post the whole recording of this session in your WhatsApp group so that you can see and accordingly you can register.
Ma'am, when all
this end,
click on course content.
when will be this end class?
It will end. Let's.
excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बच्चे.
Ma'am, please tell once again the
Can we
code.
leave the meeting?
10. Let me end the meeting. Don't bother. Let me end. I will end the meeting. Wait. See,
Ma'am, 107.
771.
Error. Server error.
1076. It is in the chat window also, beta. 1076771. Okay. Yes,
Excuse me,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is there any specific logo for it? Because when I am downloading it, searching for it on Play, it is giving that
That is Plasmo, beta. Plasmo app. I will show you my 1 minute.
Ma'am, from where we have to download the Plasmo app?
From online Plasmo. This is PLEZMO. This is the app. I will show you 1 minute. Let me exit.
So ma'am, automatically it will ask us now that when we will log in it, then automatically
Yes. Automatically, better it will. There are steps in which you will be asked to do these all things. See, this is the this type of app it is, and then it will be asking you first of all register and try to complete the first and the second course in a day or two. And if you have any
Ma'am.
problem, then again I will fix the
Excuse
meeting
me, ma'am.
and then ask me
Ma'am.
that. Yes, bache.
Ma'am, we have to do the sign in online or in the Plasmo app.
No, sign up process should be done online. appcourse.plasmo.com. Otherwise, in the app,
And ma'am,
email
then
ID
all
will
the
be
courses has to be done in the app only.
no in the online portal.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it will register.
Beta, first you register, then you have to do one by one all the courses, and in the app you
will
will be
get to
doing
know,
all.
and they will get to know step by step. Automatically, we will do step by step.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you send the recording.
ma'am, Plasma app, we have to download it, or in the automatically it will ask.
Beta, you just do the courses. Whenever it asks you to download, that time only you download, not in the
Okay.
start.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, it will register.
So
Then
you
only.
after some time.
One at a time, beta. Let Ashna say. Ashna say, beta.
Ma'am, you will send the recording on WhatsApp.
Yes, I told you I will send so many times. Why should I repeat? I have told you.
Ma'am, the courses can work in the mobile phone also, na? Like if
Courses
we will
you
open
can
the
do,
course.
but beta, courses you can do, but the app development it will be done on the computer only.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Server error for now. So will it
Ma'am,
try after some time?
After some time you try.
Do that, and we can also do that if we will ma'am, we will first do the courses, and when it will ask for app development, app creating app, so we
Yes.
will that do in the computer.
Yes, like that only. Okay, I hope everyone is clear. First of all, register yourself, and then I'm stopping the recording. So